Hey guys, how's it going? How to check someone's hidden replies on Twitter. I'm sorry, but this is not possible to view someone's hidden replies on Twitter unless the account holder decides to unhide them. So, Twitter introduced a feature that allows users to hide replies to their tweets that they find inappropriate or irrelevant. When someone hides a reply, it is only visible to the person who posted the tweet and the account that wrote the hidden reply. Other users will not be able to see the hidden reply unless the account holder chooses to unhide it. If you're curious about the hidden replies to a tweet and you are not able to see them, I recommend reaching out to the account holder directly and asking them to share the hidden replies with you. It's important to respect the privacy and choices of Twitter users when it comes to managing their interactions on the platform. If you have any more questions or need assistance with anything else, feel free to ask. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.